Come test drive the 2025 Honda HR-V. The HR-V has a good-looking exterior with a clean design. It comes with a well-tuned suspension and a handsome and flexible interior with tons of options to choose from. This vehicle has less than 8,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: perimeter alarm, body color door handles, backup camera, trip computer, power rear window sunshade, automatic air conditioning, cloth seat trim, low tire pressure warning. Experience the exhilaration of freedom on the open road.